Okay, it is the beginning of a new year. Today is January 1st, and I keep swearing I'm going to be doing more of these videos. I actually held off for a little bit for the channel. I got something super special here, and it is for the xTool P3. Just arrived in the mail. Actually arrived on Monday, and it actually did arrive in the mail. Started with DHL, and they, I guess, passed it off to the post office. And it is the IR module for the P3 today, right? All I'm going to be doing, because I want to get back to my habit of doing a video a day for 2026. That's going to go on this channel, so at least an unboxing review or something for 2026. I'm going to do the unboxing of the IR module for the P3. So let's go ahead and get to it. Let's go ahead and get this sucker open here. Got my handy dandy, now almost dull box cutter. Let's see what we get. So, stuff doesn't seem to come in any other box other than this one here that was arrived by the mail. So this is what we're getting. Boom. Got our instruction manual for the 5-watt infrared. And of course, you know, all the PDFs. You're going to have to download them yourself. Today is just going to be a quick unboxing. Nothing special. I'll probably pop it on tomorrow. That way I have something to do for tomorrow. I don't know. Oh, it looks like they have some kind of little black card here. I'm assuming this is to do some kind of alignment or something. I'm making an assumption. Unboxing only. Okay. Let's get into it. Okay. This has some substantial weight, okay? Let's see here. I mean, this is heavy. I almost want to get a scale to tell you how much this dang thing weighs. Matter of fact, I probably am. So, go ahead and pull it out, so to speak. Here she is. So I don't know if these, I'm going to have to read. So I got these 4 little rubber stoppers. I'm sure this plugs in somewhere. It looks like it's a USB-C if I had to guess, because I haven't opened it up. And it is a USB-C. These look like some kind of releases here without reading. Why read? And let's see, we got something in this little bitty bag here. And this is strange. Okay, so we got whatever the heck this is. Okay, we got a little hex key here. We got some little screws. And we got some kind of cream that says Ping Shen. No idea what this is. So that's what we get in here, and I do want to weigh it. Let's see here. Oh, well, there's one more thing in here. Hold on. So we don't miss something. So this is, I don't know. I will just briefly go through here and see what it says they may be. So that looks like it was the module fixture. The little rectangle thing is the focus block. The black paper, wherever I put it, there it is the art scratch paper. The tube of grease was grease, hex key, screws, and of course the user manual. What happens with all those things? Looks like to install the laser, you use gotta use to spit like an old person, the module fixture, the screws, and the hex key, or at least 2 of the screws. There are 4 there. I guess 2 are extras. So, okay. If that comes out, there we go. That's how you install it. So it's not just a snap in. Looks like you remove those little rubber stoppers here. Okay, so it is not a snap-on, snap-off kind of thing, it looks like here. So I thought it would have been a snap-on, snap-off, and it is not. Okay. At least that's what it looks like to me. It looks like there is a little USB thing on the CO2 laser head. Okay, that's pretty much it. So maybe tomorrow or whenever I will install it and we'll see how that goes. That is it for today. Oh yeah, before we go away, I did say something about actually weighing this darn thing because it was kind of heavy. I was actually surprised how heavy it was. So let's turn on this here scale. Hopefully you guys can see it. I'll actually have to kind of stand here so I can see it myself. Right now I have it in grams because I measure my food, because I'm a fat son of a so you know what. So let's see. Let's go ahead and measure it. Or weigh it. And it is 1,213 grams, which is, if you can see that, converted into, well, it just keeps fluctuating around, let's call it 1,213 grams, which is, I don't give a crap in American. So let's ask Alexa. Alexa, convert 1,213 grams to ounces.
1,213 grams is about 42.79 ounces.
Alexa, convert that to pounds and ounces.
42.79 ounces is about 2 pounds 11 ounces. Did that answer your question?
Yeah. Okay, hope y'all got that.
Your feedback.
Uh-huh. Okay, now you got that. So you know how much it weighs. So yeah, close to 3 pounds. So don't drop it on your foot. And it is it's metal. I don't know, I think it's aluminum. Could be stainless. Could be.